IONOS is a popular and long-standing web hosting provider offering a variety of services, including domain registration, website building tools, and different tiers of web hosting plans. If you're considering IONOS as your digital solutions partner, it's wise to weigh the advantages and disadvantages. Pros: affordability. IONOS boasts incredibly competitive pricing, especially for introductory offers on their website builder and shared hosting plans. User-friendliness. IONOS's interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those without extensive technical experience. Solid uptime. With reliable servers, IONOS generally provides good website uptime, ensuring minimal disruption for users. Free domain. Many IONOS plans feature a free domain name registration for the first year, saving you a bit of initial cost. Customer support. IONOS offers 24/7 customer support through phone and chat, providing assistance when you need it. Cons: limited features. While easy to use, the IONOS website builder may feel restrictive for those wanting greater design flexibility and more advanced features. Upselling. There may be some pressure for additional purchases or more expensive plans during and after sign-up. Renewal prices. Introductory offers are great, but be mindful. The renewal costs tend to be significantly higher. Performance limitations. Shared hosting plans, while affordable, can face performance and speed limitations if your website attracts significant traffic. Mixed customer reviews. Feedback on IONOS is diverse. While some users praise their experience, others report billing issues or less than stellar support. Thank you for watching. Get a special Hostinger offer and promo code in the description.